Survival hacks! Oh, what was that?
It looked like blood.
Yeah.
I hope it wasn't.
I don't know.
Ooh, we got an arrow cut out of the ground.
Oh, it's for juice?
For juice?
Okay.
I think it's just for water.
No, I mean, it's tree juice.
It's planet juice.
Yeah.
If you think about it, water is really just planet juice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay,
Oh,
worms.
to make the vibration and they go, okay.
Ooh.
Gotcha.
This guy is like packing a bunch of tools to be out in the wilderness, you know? Usually you wouldn't be this prepared, I feel like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bless you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a stick in the mud, in the water, and another stick. Ah, it's a trap.
Okay, trap. Okay.
To pull out the fish. That's awesome.
That's smart.
I want to test it so bad.
Just didn't get. He just got it off. What is? If you need more water.
Yeah, throw your shoes away. Worth it. Oh, I guess it's like for animals
cars or something. No, guys.
What?
No, nothing.
Okay. So we have sticks in the ground.
It's so stupid.
Carrots. What the hell are you talking about? It's a trap. It's an animal trap. To trap 5-minute crafters like Archie.
What is this? I guess I know. It's some kind of
a water bag.
Yeah, water bag. But you know, the thing is, there is sticky things inside.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So it might pollute the water a little bit.
So don't drink it.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you're not using it for drinking though.
Yeah.
Maybe it's okay.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Ooh, this is how to make a snare, I guess. That's cool.
Okay.
Wow.
Interesting. Wow.
I always wanted to learn how to do hunting stuff, but just never got around to it, you know. I was more into hunting in video games.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Assassin's Creed 3.
So, but why you wanted this in real life? For what? What is that?
I don't know. I always thought it looked cool, like just be a survivor. I don't know if I could actually kill anything, but I would like to try to survive.
To be prepared for zombie attacks.
Yeah. Yeah. I think every guy especially, and probably ladies, has the internal need for there to be just a zombie apocalypse and try to survive.
Yeah, maybe.
To find out, you know, could I survive? Guys, let us know in the comments. Could you survive?
Or would you like to know?
Yeah.
Would you survive or no?
And ladies, let us know the same thing.
Yes,
I'm sorry for leaving you out.
Everyone.
Okay. We have a way to make fire. Actually, I used one of those. It's awesome. You just have the flint and you awesome. You feel like a badass. Badass.
Yeah. I have the bracelet with the same thing.
Nice. That's cool. Okay, so we're making like an underground oven type thing.
Wow, I would try this.
That's amazing.
I'm so hungry now.
How does that work without air though, like airflow?
I mean, it's simple. I mean, there is a lot of technique where you don't need the air. You just warm up the
thing beforehand and then trap it. Yeah,
and it's everything in juice. So it's
nice. That's cool too.
So we just warmed up the place
and our chicken is ready. It looks pretty good.
Wow,
a little dirty.
Yeah, but who cares?
You can eat.
I would try this.
Yeah?
I think so. I think it could be helpful. I mean, if you survive.
If you have to survive and it has some nutrients. I didn't know it had any nutrients though. A tree. That's cool. Natural toothbrush.
Yeah.
He doesn't look very happy about it.
But at least it's useful.
It's cold in here.
So, this could work, to be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah, we filmed once and we tested this and I feel good. I mean, I was put it in my jacket all this time.
Nice. Okay, we have a stick. It looks like a hunting stick, but I'm guessing it's not. Oh! It's a torch. For fire.
Okay.
Nice. I wonder how long that lasts, actually. Ooh. Ah! Poor chickadee.
So, this is the first fishing chicken.
For chicken fishing. Yeah, I think it is for chicken fishing.
What a waste of chicken.
I also want to try this. It is a waste of chicken. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna ruin my chicken for like much less meat.
Yeah. I don't know how it would work. Even if you don't like chicken, but you have some.
I feel like you can't really be a chooser when you're in the wild trying to survive. You just have to eat stuff.
There is no time for
chicken, rabbit,
Yeah.
a friend.
I'm scary.
It's okay. We're not in the wild. We're not in the wild yet. Yeah.
I will not fly with you on the same plane.
Okay. All right. We have some tree sap heating up.
Okay, it's like it's like a glue.
Natural glue. I don't know about that, but okay. I don't know if it's gonna be stable enough to use an axe, but
with a piece of fabric, why not?
Maybe.
Kind of together. This can do it.
High water consumption. So we get this, and we're gonna poke holes so that it distributes the water more evenly.
Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, it didn't look that strong. I feel like the water would just through.
Yeah. But
Fanning the fire, fan the flames in my heart.
wow, it's actually
It's cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool.
Okay.
We have some pan fishing.
Yeah. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh,
Collect the water because I'm thirsty.
Oh.
But apparently, I've heard rainwater isn't that great to drink.
No.
No,
Why?
I heard that it goes through like some pollution or something when it evaporates up into the air and then it collects like some gross stuff and then it comes back down. I'm not sure though. A lot of people maybe that's just a rumor, a theory,
Maybe because
a game theory.
Oh.
What do you think?
No, I mean, I saw a lot of videos, a lot of opinions that it's fine to use the rainwater for drinking. I mean, it's
Maybe
clean.
companies just don't want us to know
Companies?
so that they can sell us their
The
water.
cloud companies?
Cloud companies. No, I'm talking about water companies.
Or maybe they just want to say, the water companies.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
Okay.
And
So
we gotta
it's-
sell. No, selfie lady.
Okay, survival hacks.
What are we gonna do? Survival hacks.
Yeah.
Try to survive her after she comes out of the water.
For your weird acting.
Yeah.
Is
Warm
it
and well. No, I
Is
don't
it?
think you're.
Is
I really
it?
don't think you are warm after
No,
You're wrong.
Yeah.
that. Okay, so we have some nice little kindling fire starter stuff. Burns for 5 hours.
Okay. Like,
Nice.
If
it works, it works.
Yeah.
We can only imagine
Yeah.
because we're not gonna test it for 5 hours.
Yeah. I mean, it's not worth it.
No,
It's not it.
unless this video gets 20 million likes. If it gets 20 million likes, we'll do it. Remember to like
we'll
it.
do We'll do it.
20 million likes
Yeah.
all day, baby. I think our maximum likes is something like 200,000. So, 20 million likes, baby.
And we'll do this.
We'll do
weird
anything.
hack.
Anything.
No, not anything.
Anything.
No.
Okay.
Kinda
Maybe.
fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Why not? Before?
Before?
After?
Yeah.
I don't know why you care about looking clean in the when you're surviving.
Too
But
cold. Too cold.
too cold.
So you warm up some stone, some rocks, and now look at her. She just without anything.
Okay, so I'm poking some holes in the bottom of our cup.
And
Hot water?
Oh, I know what is this.
Ah, it's a strainer.
This is smart.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Wow.
Very smart. What a smart lady.
Yeah. Well, she found some. Okay, recycling.
Cap it up.
Oh, it's.
I mean, I do this all the time. Yeah, just consolidate
Yeah.
your space when you're throwing things away.
Yeah.
It's good for the
If you-
environment and good for you.
Yes. If you didn't know,
Now you know.
now you know.
Banana peels underground for what?
Yeah. Because.
Oh, it's a plant.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very good.
See?
Give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Well.